Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to be showing you how to get a modded version of the Baseball 9 on your phone, no jailbreaks. So as you can see, I got tons of money, so I'm going to show you guys how to download this. It is super cool, guys, fully working version. So this works on iOS and Android, so let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. It's super crazy, guys, and this is totally updated and everything like that, so let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it onto your device. So yeah, it is super cool, guys. This totally works, so let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Guys, so as you can see in Baseball 9, I'm super rich. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version of the game. Just like me, you can have a ton of diamonds. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and go to this website right here called ZooMods. So this is the website where we can get the Baseball 9 modded version. So once you're on this site, guys, just go to the search bar and type in Baseball 9. And as you can see, guys, it says Baseball 9 mod, so just press on it and wait for it to download. If you got a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long, but be sure to try this out for yourself, get the word out, because it's super cool, guys, and it totally works. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but yes, it's super awesome, and it's updated and everything. So as you can see, guys, if I go to the search bar and type in Baseball 9, you can see it is super expensive, which is why I do not encourage you guys to spend any money on this game whatsoever. So as you can see, guys, look at that. I mean, that is wild, and bro. So yeah, if you want to get everything for free, guys, be sure to go and try us out. It's super cool. It totally works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go and share it. It's super awesome. And this is like updated and everything like that. So I hope you guys found it working and enjoyed it. It's super cool, guys. It totally works pretty well. So yeah, get the word out, bro. All you gotta do is go to ZooMods. You're gonna be all set. So be sure to go and try it out. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome, and yeah, it's updated and it fully works, guys. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to try it out. I'll see you later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome, and it totally works iOS and Android devices. So yeah, I mean, I didn't have to do anything dumb like jailbreak, so I'm happy. It's my life, you know. I get to do a modded version. So I'll see you guys later, but subscribe and peace out. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yep.